السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. حياكم الله في ليب 23. Your Highnesses, Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests, it gives me great pleasure to welcome you all to this special announcement. 98% of Saudis use the internet. And when we talk about youth, 100% of them do so. And over 50% spend over 7 hours or more per day on the internet, with an average of 33 gigabytes of data consumption per person per month. Now, these numbers do speak for themselves. And when it comes to social media, they represent 5 of the top 10 visited websites, 7 of the top 10 most downloaded apps, and 6 of the top 10 data-consuming apps. In fact, 2 of the most famous and popular social medias have announced that Saudi Arabia is the world's highest user of their services. This is more than just a trend. It's a thriving industry that generates economies and bring communities together. We're talking about real companies that create real jobs. And I think where this speech is going, you know where it's heading. I believe that today, it's time for Saudi Arabia, with its prestigious global position and influential regional leadership, to take its place at the forefront of this industry. We recognize the importance of working together with others. We believe that you should never reinvent the wheel. This is the key of success when we work in Saudi Arabia. And it's evidenced by our previous partnership with Alibaba Cloud, the first high-capacity commercial cloud in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Today, in Leap, we're leaping into new worlds. New partnerships are coming. Partnerships that Riyadh are going to witness through Leap between Saudi and Chinese companies in terms of ownership, development, and joint work. These companies have chosen Saudi Arabia and Riyadh in specific because, without any doubt, it became the regional tech center. Sorry, no doubts at all when you talk about Riyadh. The regional tech center for the region as a whole, and for its ability to launch companies locally and internationally as well. Today, I'm very humble that I'm standing in front of you and very proud to announce 2 new internet companies in the most demanded fields. Hektar, the social networking app, and Beam, the instant messaging and calling app from here, from Leap, from Riyadh. Now, allow me to leave you with a short video to explain to you what is Hektar. This, ladies and gentlemen, what you just witnessed is Hektar, the first Chinese-Saudi social media app that is launching from Leap tonight. Please welcome to the stage the Hektar team, Jack Chen and Sultan Ghaznawi.
May I have this mic on? Thank you. Hello, everyone. I'm here today to introduce you to Hektar, a revolutionary social application that's designed for the people of Middle East. At Hektar, we believe life is meant to be shared and experienced. So that's why we created a sleek dual-column feed that showcases the best and most interesting content across network. With live streaming, video, audio, and interactive spaces, Hector is the perfect place to share, to connect with people with the same like-minded in real time. We also introduced a unique check-in function that allows you to see what friends are nearby and say hi to them. We believe Hector isn't about just sharing videos and photos. It is the best place to record and share your life journey. Our early Saudi users have already begun sharing their moments and experiences, from technology, sports, to travel, food, lifestyle, and beauty. We are just getting started. So we invite all the influencers, creators, and broadcasters to join us and help build this community that provides even more value. Hector isn't what we will build. It's about what you bring to it. Your voice, your participation, and your life story. We need you to make Hector the best it can be. So come on, join us, and let's share this journey together. Thank you. Shukran. I'm leaving you guys with my Sudan.
Your Royal Highnesses, Your Excellencies, esteemed guests, I'm honored to be here today to share with you a momentous occasion, the partnership between Camel Lab and Hector. As a pioneer Saudi venture builder and ecosystem enabler, Camel Lab has founded, invested, and venture built technology companies that is loved and used by millions of users. The partnership with Camel Lab and Hector is not just a leap forward for our companies, but rather it is one for the entire Arab world. And that we are honored today to introduce a social space, Hector, that will revolutionize the way people interact, connect, and share their experiences with one another. So let's embrace this partnership, work together, and make the most of this incredible opportunity. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a leap of progress, a leap into the future. Let's work together and make sure it is a leap to remember. Thank you very much.